everybody, Ben.beecher here, MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. If you like our video today, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today we're going through the 2018 Galeon 405 HTS. As you can see, the back of the boat here where we're starting, we have a nice large teak swim platform which goes right into your tender garage. I'm going to open up the tender garage. As you can see, the roller here goes right into the swim platform, so you can roll your tender with a 3.5 horsepower outboard right into your tender garage. As we walk up into the cockpit, I'd like you to notice the nice large steps going up the gunnels to the bow of the boat. Nice wide entrance into the cockpit, as well as a cockpit door. Keep closed while you're underway. As you come inside the cockpit here, you have a nice U-shaped lounger. Table folds in, give yourself more room, as well as storage underneath the seats. We have a wet bar on the starboard side of the boat with a refrigerator, extra storage underneath, and a grill. All right. As we walk forward, we have a port lounger underneath the hard top here. Fully retractable sunroof. As you see, we have it open at this point, allowing sun in, as well as windows on both the port and starboard side of the boat. Here at the helm station, you see we have the nice big Raymarine touchscreen display, as well as Volvo Pinta digital information center for your engines. This boat is powered by the Volvo D6s, which are both fuel efficient and powerful enough to run this boat at about 40 miles an hour. This boat is also equipped with joystick docking to help you get into the docks in a tight spot or on a windy day. As we walk down into the cabin, you see we have a nicely designed galley. Over here we have your sink, as well as additional storage for everything you need. We also have a refrigerator, storage up on top, and your microwave. Move towards the forward part of the starboard side. See a nice sized bathroom, full shower head. Here we are in the forward berth here. You see we have a nice sized queen bed. We have plenty of closet space, as well as a lighted vanity. And back into the main salon here, we have a nice table, which again extends out if need be, and a nice lounger area down here in front of your galley. Alright, so this is going to be our mid cabin back here. You can see we have a nice seating area, as well as 2 single berths, and once again another full-size bathroom with shower. That concludes our tour. The 2018 Galeon 405 HTS. Once again, my name is Ben.beecher. If you have any questions, please contact us on the information below. Thank you. Have a great day.